Ever caught yourself asking whether you are a product of your genes or your environment? Well, you're not alone. For centuries, thinkers, scientists, and curious minds alike have pondered this same question, giving birth to the enduring debate of nature versus nurture. On one side of the ring, we have nature, representing our genetic code. It's the blueprint of life, the traits we inherit from our parents, the very fabric of our biological being. It's the color of our eyes, the curl of our hair, the rhythm of our heart. On the other side, we have nurture, the sculptor of our experiences. It's the environment we grow up in, the culture we are immersed in, and the experiences that etch themselves onto our being. It's the languages we speak, the values we hold, the dreams we dare to dream. But what if I told you it's not as simple as choosing between nature and nurture? Welcome to the world of epigenetics, where nature meets nurture. Now, imagine you have a book. The story never changes, but the way you read it does. That's a bit like epigenetics. It's the study of changes in gene expression that don't involve alterations to the underlying DNA sequence. In other words, the DNA code remains the same, but the way it's read by cells can change. This is where environment steps in to dance with heredity. Environmental factors like stress, diet, or behavior can have a significant impact on how your genes are expressed. They can switch genes on or off and determine which proteins are transcribed. They can make your genes dance to a different tune, even if the music is written the same. So it's not just about what's written in your genes, but how your life experiences can influence how those genes are expressed. So where does this leave the nature versus nurture debate, you may ask? Let's take a moment to recap the highlights of our discussion. We've unraveled the fascinating concept of epigenetics, which tells us that our genes aren't the sole dictators of our traits and personalities. Yes, they play a significant role, but the plot thickens. Our environment and experiences can tweak the expression of these genes, making us who we are today. It's like a grand symphony where genes are the notes on the sheet music, but the environment is the conductor guiding the tempo and dynamics. It's a constant interplay, a harmonious interaction of nature and nurture, not a battle between the two. In essence, it's not about choosing team genes or team environment. It's about understanding this intricate dance between our genetic makeup and our life experiences. In the end, it's not about choosing sides, but understanding the intricate dance between our genes and our experiences.